everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Either way, I am so excited you are here. My name is Hanne from cheerful.cleaning.hanne, and let's get right into it.
It was a Thursday night when I first saw you. Those green eyes caught me. Yeah, it was crazy. It was a Friday night when I first...
We have been living in our new house for 1 year and 8 months now. Whew, time flies. But anyway, I never cleaned behind our nightstands. I know. But this day I wanted to do so because it was very much needed. So I asked Maxim for help to remove the nightstand so that I could clean behind them.
And I will come running, yeah, every day. 24/7, yeah, every day. I will come running, babe. Every day. Yeah, every day, babe. Used to be scared of letting someone get close without the filters, but you see the real me. Since I let you in under my skin, I'm more free than I have ever been. You broke my chains and released me. And days turned into nights on the couch in your apartment. No, I am not the same. Everything has changed. Every day, 24/7, you call my name, and I will come running, yeah, every day. 24/7, yeah, every day. I will come running, babe. Every day. Yeah, every day, babe. And days turned into nights on the couch. No, I am not the same. Everything has changed. Every day, 24/7, you call my name, and I will come running, yeah, every day.
And this is the after. I'm so glad I did this, and I'm not going to wait another year and 8 months to do so again. It looks brand new again. But here is a reminder for you. Have you cleaned behind your nightstands recently?
Every day. Yeah, every day, babe. You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chasing highs. You need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good love and something that I never thought existed. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind now. A queen needs a king to be by her side. On my mind's loving's on my mind. He can do me better, he can do me better. On my mind's everything I like. He can do me better, he can do me better than you. Can love me better than you do. Yeah, you can love me better than you. You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about. Tell me, do you really need me? I'm painting pictures and I'm dreaming about that good love and something that I know you cannot give me. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind.
I wanted to clean these floors really well, give them a good deep clean. So that's why I removed all of the shoes and our dressing so I could reach every spot on the floor with the vacuum cleaner. And how are you doing? Have you experienced anything special this week that you wanted to share with us? let us know. I read every single comment and I respond to them all.
You love me better than you do. Yeah. You love me better than you. It's like we're stuck. You won't grow up, and I'm getting tired of waiting. It's like we're stuck. You won't grow up, and I'm getting tired. I'm tired of waiting for you to make your move. He can love me better than you. He can love me better than you. On my mind's loving's on my mind. He can do me better. He can do me better. On my mind's everything I like. He can do me better. He can do me better than you. You love me better than you do. Yeah. You love me better than you. Love me better than you do.
Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call?
Now I'm going to mop these floors using my Vileda spray mop, which I love and I have linked in the description of this video for you. Another thing I like to do when I'm cleaning the floors upstairs is to shake out our bed mat out of the window, give it a good shake, and do the same thing with the dustpan, as you will see here in a few seconds.
Feel it in the air. Can you feel me? Can you feel me?
Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you call?
Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel me?
We are currently in our bedroom because there is some sticky residue on the windows. Because before we had this to block all the sunlight out. We had just a curtain, but that wasn't enough. And therefore Maxim put aluminum foil on the windows. And that's why there was also tape on the windows to keep the aluminum foil in place. I want to remove the sticky residue and I bought something for it. I wanted to buy ether, but instead I bought acetone because I was mistaken, but I think it will work too.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I
so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots, thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up.
After a few minutes of cleaning, I changed the cotton pads for a microfiber towel, which was a good decision because it worked a little bit better, but I already cleaned so much on this day and still more to come. And I was getting so hot and I just had enough of it. So it was just time to move on to the next thing, which is cleaning the toilet downstairs and also the sink in our pantry.
I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. I'm not gonna wake up.
Now I want to ask everybody for a favor, and that is to make sure that you are subscribed to my channel if you aren't already, and to like the video. Thank you!
We've been acting out for days, nothing to deny. Blown up because it goes through the halls. You keep sleeping on the couch just to prove the point. I'm too proud to tell you when I'm wrong. Arguments spinning in circles, we're fighting for days, stuck in a phase. I think we're losing the reason. One word is all it takes, babe. Bursting out in cold flames. Breathing, we are catching fire. Thought that we were wiser. Go and light the match, babe. Miss out on the good days. Breathing, we are catching fire. Fire, fire. Fire, fire. Fire, fire. Fire, fire. Silent treatment ain't no cure, just making it harder. Keep on acting busy on your phone. I just wanna feel your touch, baby, can we start this? Don't you wanna hold me anymore? Arguments spinning in circles, we're fighting for days, stuck in a
I haven't done a grocery haul or a recipe video in a while now, so if that is something that you would like to see from me, let me know, because I can always incorporate those things in my cleaning videos, but sometimes I doubt if I should just stick to the cleaning. That was all for today's video. See you next week on Friday. Bye!